Hello and welcome back to another of my YouTube videos. Today I'm at Martlesham Heath Control Tower. Let's get on with the show. Okay, so we start here with this very gorgeous modified Mini.
I mean, I could just bring them back so that
And a equally gorgeous Riley.
People don't want to pay you the amount of money that
Okay, how nice that looks. One of the last Rover, or MG in this case, but one of the last ever made. And we saw this Rover at the last car show I was at. Oh, extravaganza, that would have been the East Anglia when we came. Got a Anglia going just there. Having an even close look at it this time because we didn't look inside last time. And notice on the gear selector, it's universal. You can imagine you use the exact same gear selector for either left hand drive or right hand drive. Because you've got luxury headrest, look at them for Rover headrest, gorgeous. Heated seats, wow, look at that. Don't know if you see, it's just beyond there. Going into just next to the key belt. It's actually a very well spec car, isn't it? Very nice. Very nice indeed. And full electric mirrors. Which is nice. Even a Mercedes one here didn't do that. I mean, you take my S-Class even, that doesn't even have full electric, it's only got one from factory. So there you go, if you want a quality bit of spec, they're going to work further enough over them. Which is a shame really that most of them are written off by people trying to drift them, when they are lovely cars. And then you got a lovely Ford Cortina here. And a Lanchester 10. Bentley, yes, 1933. Lovely blue interior. Look at that. Very nice, got quite a little luggage. I believe that's your luggage rack on the back. Have a look at this side. So they said he's going to keep it fully original like this. So that'd be nice as well. Nice little bit here, 500. Lovely Ford here, gear spec. So that'd be very luxurious inside. Go over to it. We'll come back in a minute and look at the rest of the car. Have a listen to this. I'll find the bird. Lovely. I'll go along this way here for a lovely little Ciodic here. But we'll have a look at this Trabant first. This one over there turned up. And this Trabant is a little bit different. Very nice. Very nice. And I just noticed wheel cap covers. Got little German flags on them. Okay, so and a little break. Look at this Triumph for test. Very nice inside. Very nice. But however, next Rover here, 3.8. I've seen quite a few of these before, but this one just looks absolutely gorgeous. So nice. Let's have a look inside here. There you go. Lovely inside. So nice. And, that one is a particularly nice example now on a Rover 100. Just here. Lovely blue interior. We don't really see too much studio reflection on the windows. Another lovely V8 just here. There's your bonnet open. And yeah, there's the Triumph again from that friend. And It's a lovely 40. So I've already seen it from before, and it is absolutely immaculate. Got the works in it, it's cruise control, heated seats in the front, electric windows. Probably one of the cleanest ones I've seen, really. With automatic gearbox as well, look at that. Gorgeous, very nice car, very clean. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's been quite a nice little road run today out here. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. So if you like and subscribe, really does help you see this channel to grow. My name is on the drive, and I'll see you in my next video.